Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook account with your Warface game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pc.wfclutch.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Warface Clutch website. Within this page, you will see the login button at the top right corner, so go ahead and click on it. You will now be taken into the login page, where you will see the login with Facebook button. You can click on the Facebook option underneath, as well as this button. And you can also proceed forward with this method if you don't have an account to sign up. This will then take you into the Facebook login portal, where you will be asked to log into your Facebook account. After you have entered your email address or your phone number, followed by your password, click on the login button, and this will sign you into your Facebook account, where you will be asked if you would like to allow access for the Warface game to your Facebook account. Just confirm this question and accept the decision, and now your Facebook account will be linked with your Warface game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Facebook account on Warface. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.